Please close your eyes. Take a deep breath. I want to tell you a story. It is a story about a woman named Daniela. But really, it is a story about all of us. It is a story about love, about pain, and about finding yourself when you are lost. Daniela lives in Brighton Bay. Imagine a small town near the ocean. It is very quiet there. In the morning, the air smells like salt. You can hear the seagulls. You can hear the waves hitting the rocks. Whoosh, whoosh. It is a calm place. Daniela is 29 years old. She works at a small hotel. Every day is the same. She wakes up. She drinks coffee. She walks to work. She smiles at guests. Some people say, "Daniela, your life is boring." But Daniela says, "No, my life is safe." You see, Daniela was hurt before. In the past, she loved men who broke her heart. So she built a wall around her heart, a strong wall. She decided, I am happy alone. No drama, no crying, just peace. She thought she was safe, but life has other plans. Life brings us people when we do not expect them. Michael stayed for 2 weeks. 2 weeks can be a short time, or it can be a lifetime. Every evening after work, he found her. They walked together. Imagine them walking on the sand. The sun is going down. The sky is orange and pink. The wind blows in Daniela's hair. They sat on a bench near the old lighthouse. They talked about everything. They talked about books. "What is your favorite story?" he asked. They talked about music. They talked about dreams. Daniela told him, "I want a simple life. I want a happy home." Michael told her, "My job is hard. I feel empty in the city." With him, Daniela felt special. She felt seen. She forgot about the wall around her heart. Brick by brick, the wall came down. One night, the stars were very bright. The ocean was dark and quiet. Michael turned to her. He touched her hand. His hand was warm. He said, "Daniela, being with you, it feels like peace." Peace. That is a beautiful word. Daniela thought, maybe this is it. Maybe this is love. She was happy. For the first time in years, she was truly happy. When the 2 weeks were over, Michael left. But he did not disappear. He sent messages every morning. "Good morning, beautiful." He called every night. They talked for hours. Daniela fell deeper and deeper in love. She waited for him, and 1 month later, he came back. This time, Michael did not stay at the hotel. He rented a small house, a white house near the harbor. He said, "Come visit me." Daniela went. They cooked dinner together. They cut vegetables. They laughed. There was music playing softly. They danced in the small kitchen. Daniela thought, "This is my future. This is what I want." But then the music stopped. They sat on the sofa. The room was quiet. Too quiet. Michael looked at his hands. He looked nervous. He took a deep breath. "Daniela," he said, "I need to tell you something." Daniela smiled. "What is it?" He did not smile back. "I am not free," he whispered. Daniela did not understand. "What do you mean?" Michael looked at the floor. "I am married," he said. "I have a wife. I have 2 children." Boom! The world stopped. Daniela felt cold. Her hands were shaking. She looked at him, this man with kind eyes. He was a liar. "Why?" she asked. "Why didn't you tell me?" Michael started to speak fast. "I didn't plan this," he said. My marriage is bad. We don't love each other. We sleep in different rooms. I stay only for the kids. Please believe me." Daniela stood up. She opened the door. She walked out into the night. She needed air. She stood by the ocean. The waves crashed. She wanted to scream. She wanted to hate him. But the problem was, she loved him. And when you love someone, you become blind. He came to her. He said, "I care about you. You make me happy." And Daniela, she made a choice, a bad choice. She stayed. Daniela became the other woman. Do you know what that feels like? It feels like living in a shadow. Their love became a secret. Michael visited once a month, maybe twice. They stayed in the little house. They never went out. No dinners at restaurants, no walks in the park, no holding hands in the street, because someone might see them. In the house, it was magic. He was sweet. He was loving. But when he left, oh, the silence. He left no clothes, no toothbrush, no photos. It was like he was a ghost. Daniela was alone again, waiting. She was always waiting. She checked her phone every 5 minutes. Will he call? Will he text? She stopped seeing her friends. She stopped reading books. Her life was just waiting for Michael. She asked herself, is this love? If he loves me, why am I a secret? If he loves me, why does he go home to her? She felt small. She felt second best. But she hoped. Maybe one day he will leave her, she thought. Maybe next month. But months became a year, and nothing changed. One day her friend Nena told her the truth. Nena said, "Daniela, wake up. You deserve to be number one. You deserve a man who is proud of you, a man who walks with you in the sunlight, not a man who hides you in the dark." Daniela cried, because she knew Nena was right. The next time Michael came, Daniela was different. She did not cook dinner. She did not smile. She sat on the chair. Michael tried to kiss her. She turned away. "What is wrong?" he asked. Daniela looked at him. "I am tired, Michael," she said. "Tired of what?" "Tired of hiding," she said. "I am living a half life. I want a full life. I want a whole heart, not just a piece of a heart." She asked him the most important question. "Will you leave your wife? For me? Now?" The room was silent. The clock on the wall went tick, tock, tick, tock. Michael looked sad. "I can't," he said. "I can't leave my family." It hurt. It hurt like a knife, but it was also the truth. Finally, Daniela stood up. She opened the door. "Then you must go," she said. "I love you," he said. "Love is not enough," she answered. "Please, go." And he left. This time, for the last time. Daniela sat on the floor and cried. But this time, the tears were different. They were cleaning her, like rain cleans the streets. She was alone, but she was free. Healing takes time. It is not easy. Some days Daniela missed him. Some days she wanted to call him, but she did not. She started to walk by the ocean again. She looked at the sky. She started to read again. She started to write stories. She found herself again. The old Daniela came back, but she was stronger now. One evening she was in a bookstore. She was looking at travel books. A man stood next to her. He smiled. "Do you like travel?" he asked. His name was David. They went for coffee. David was simple. He was kind. He listened. And the next week, they went for a walk. in the park, in the daylight. Everyone could see them, and David was proud to be with her. Daniela told David about her past. "I was a secret before," she said. "I was second place." David held her hand. "You are not second place," he said. "You are the prize." And Daniela smiled. Now Daniela knows the truth about love. Real love does not hide. Real love does not hurt. Real love feels safe. It feels like coming home. She found peace, not in a man, but in herself. And because she found herself, she found true love. So if you are listening, if you are waiting for someone who cannot choose you, remember Daniela. You deserve the sunlight. Don't stay in the shadow.